Hello class, this video is for Monday, April the 27th, 2020. This is our last week in April. Do you know what month comes after April? January, February, March, April, May. May is the month that comes after April. Okay, class, let's review our long vowel sounds. This is the letter A. Listen, listen to the A sound. A in apron and in train. A in sailor and in crayons. All of these words have the A. This is the letter E. Listen, listen to the E sound. E in easel and in bee. E in eagle and in teepee. All of these words have the E. This is the letter I. Listen, listen to the I sound. I in ice cream and in pie. I in island and in nightlight. All of these words have the I. You began learning about the long O sound on Friday. Listen, listen to the O sound. O in ocean and in hose. O in oval and in snowman. All of these words have the O. On Friday, you learned this word family. Notice marker E at the end, pointing back to the O, which will say its name. Listen to this word family. O's. What sound did the S make in this word family? O's. Yes, the S made a Z sound. Sometimes S will make the sound of Z. If we put an R in front of O's, the word says rose. I gave Mom a red rose. If we put an N in front of O's, we have the word nose. My nose is cold when I'm outside in the winter time. CH makes the sound ch. If we put ch in front of O's, we have the word chose. I chose my brother to be on my team. Chose. TH can make two sounds. It can make the fluffy sound th or the hard sound the. So let's see which one goes with O's. Those or those. The heavy sound is the one we want. Those. Those books are mine. This is the own family. If I put a B in front of own, what word did I make? Bone. The dog ate the bone. This word is cone. Dad took me to get an ice cream cone. SH says shh. Shh. Own. Shone. The sun shone brightly outside. ST says st. Stone. Stone. I threw the stone into the water. So let's learn some new long O word families today. Here we have a new word family. We see that marker E is at the end, pointing back to Miss Long, who is standing over the O. This word family is oak. Oak. If we put W in front of oak, we have the word woke. I woke up very early this morning. J in front of oak says joke. Pastor Brian told a funny joke in church. SM says smoke. The smoke warned us that there was a fire in the woods outside of our house. Smoke. BR says brr. Broke. I accidentally broke the lamp when I knocked it off of its stand. Now let's look at this word family. Again, marker E is at the end, pointing back to Miss Long, who is going to remind us that the O says its name. This word family is ole. Ole. If we add an H to ole, we have the word hole. Hole. Grandpa dug a hole to put the fence post in. Hole. P in front of ole says pole. I bought a new fishing pole. Notice that this word begins with a capital C. Let's see whose name this is. Cole. Cole. I played soccer with Cole. ST says stole. The robber stole money from the bank. Our next word family is ohm. Ohm. Let's see what words we can make with ohm. Home. Home. I can't wait to get home. This is the letter D. The doorknob comes before the door. Dome. Dome. The roof of the stadium was in the shape of a dome. This is a capital R. We're going to have another name. Rome. Rome. Paul wanted to visit the Christians in the city of Rome. This will be the last O word family that we do. Let's look at it. Marker E is pointing back to Miss Long, reminding us that the O is saying its name. Ope. Ope. H in front of ope says hope. I hope you are doing your best today. R in front of ope says rope. Rope. We tied the boat to the dock with a rope. SL says slope. The man skied down the steep mountain slope. Today you're going to read the story Coal Slips. I thought I would use the words in the story to review short and long vowels and some special sounds. Let's look at this first row of words. In this first word, we notice that there is an E at the end. We know that the E is quiet. It points back to the first vowel so that we'll say its name. This word is the word coal. If we look at the second word, again, we'll notice that there is an E at the end, pointing back to the first vowel. This vowel is going to say its name. This vowel is going to be quiet. Rope. The next word, we see the same thing. We see the E at the end, pointing back to the O. The O is going to say its name. The E is going to be quiet. BR says brr, broke, broke. This last word, again, we see an E at the end, pointing back to the first vowel that's going to say its name. This E is going to be quiet. ST says st, stone. Let's read these four words. Coal, rope, broke, stone. The next group of words only have one vowel. If there's one vowel in the word followed by a consonant, the vowel makes it short sound. So A will say ah, sat. There's only one vowel in this word. The A will say ah, had. One A in this word. The A will say ah, bad. We look at this word. We have one vowel followed by a consonant and then another consonant. This is the special sound st. One vowel. The A will say it short sound. Cast. Cast. A cast is what a doctor puts on an arm or leg if you break a bone so that the bone can be steady while it's healing. Well, I hope that review will help you as you read your little booklet today, Coal Slips.